guys, this is a clone of, if you look at the bottle, some of you can already tell what this is duping, or this is cloning. So this is a clone of YSL Y EDP, and the actual cost of the original fragrance, which is the YSL Y EDP, is 2,500 rands in most of the shops in South Africa. And this dupe here is only 350 rands. So you can do the maths. So what this actually means is that this is 7 times less expensive than the original YSL. So let's find out if this is a good replacement of the YSL Y EDP, or it is not a good replacement.
Hello guys, and welcome to the beauty of South Africa. I'm Kululeko Cele and I'm your host. So in case you are lost, our content ranges from South African travel, the latest cars and reviews. We love tech and we love fragrances. Basically, we love South Africa's fabulous lifestyle. So if this is your type of content, just know that you're in the right place. So don't hesitate to like this video and share it with your friends and family. Please don't skip the ads. And if you feel a little more generous, please subscribe and leave a comment. So I hope you watch the whole video and you find value in the video. Cheers.
So guys, in case you are interested in this information, is that the YSL Y EDP was released in 2018. And this dupe was released in 2023. So it's been around for quite some time. So what I want to do now is I want to do the unboxing, then show you the presentation. But before we do that, so this is what the bottle looks like of the YSL Y EDP. I don't know whether it's this side or this side, but this is how it looks like. And then this is what this one looks like. This is what this one looks like. Let me come closer to the camera. So actually this is the box here. This is what the box looks like. I hope it's appearing fine there. It has a sticker of authenticity here. You can see. So it has a sticker of authenticity here. This is what it looks like. So guys, I don't have the original packaging of the original fragrance, so I'm just going to show you the clone. And then here in the back, this is what you have. This is what you have here. And then when it comes to the bottle, this is what the bottle looks like. I'm actually very happy about the bottle. It has this here, and then this here. This is actually metal, guys. If you look at the juice is white. It looks white, and the bottle has this gradient thingy that is happening. And then you get the lid. The lid is quite heavy. It's metal, and then it has a rubber thing here. Let's test the atomizer to see if it's good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is this. Let's see. I don't want to miss. Okay, I'm wasting here. So guys, looking at the notes, what they are saying here is that the top notes are apple, ginger, and bergamot. The middle notes are sage, juniper berries, geranium, and the base notes are amberwood, tonka, cedar wood, vetiver, and oil burnum. Oil burnum, I don't know what that is. So those are the notes. But when I smell, so I don't know how they do these things, guys, where they are able to tell between the different notes that are inside. Here, all I can say is that it smells it smells the same as the YSL Y EDP. But in terms of detecting each note on each, no, I'll be lying if I said that. But in the opening, I do agree with bergamot and maybe apple. With the middle notes, I wouldn't be sure. But the dry down here, it gets vanilla-like. But I don't see the vanilla notes here. Instead, I see cedar and amberwood. Yeah, I would say it goes similar to those notes. So those are the notes. When I smell it, I think it smells fresh. So guys, what I want to do here, I have my notes here because I don't want to stumble and act like a Superman with this video, because it can get very messy. So what I want to do is, I want to start with the way this smells. So to do that, I'm just going to do So I want to talk about the comparisons now. So as soon as I spray this, I do get the freshness, which is also available, present in the original fragrance. So as soon as you spray this, because I don't have the original one, but I did go to Edgar's to go and test the original one, and I was so surprised about the similarities between these fragrances. So, difference number one, the smell. Do they smell the same or they don't smell the same? So the question is, they smell the same. The only difference between both fragrances is that YSL is more potent. It's more potent, it's more mature, it's more darker kind of a thing. Whereas this one is more sweeter, it's more playful. So those are the similarities. They have the same DNA, except the Y EDP is more dense, more mature, and less sweeter. I don't know if I'm explaining that right. Yeah, so this one is sweeter. So if you're looking for something that is more playful, go for this one. If you're looking for something that is more mature, go for YSL, the OG. So your projection with YSL is good for the first about 2 hours. It's very good. And then after the 2 hours, then it comes back to be a smell that is closer to you. And then whereas with this one, you get a good projection for about 40 minutes. And then after that, it comes back to being closer to you, a scent that is closer to you. The original YSL it changes, because most of the designer and niche fragrances, they have a tendency to change and transform. Whereas the original YSL doesn't transform that much. It doesn't. So with this one it doesn't. So you get this direct smell from start to end. So I was very disappointed with that, with the original YSL, the fact that it doesn't transform. This is fine because it is a cheap fragrance. So that projection here, it's about 40 minutes. With YSL, it's about 1 hour. It's about 1 hour. Okay. And then when it comes to longevity, so longevity with the YSL is about 7 to 8 hours. So with 7 to 8 hours, if you smell your skin, your clothes, you will definitely smell it. And up to 12 hours on your clothes. About 7 hours on your skin, 12 hours on your clothes. And then with this one, it's about 4 to 5 hours on your skin, and then about 8 hours on your clothes. It doesn't last till the following day on your clothes, so it's just a moderate. So the performance is basically moderate here. With the original one, it's a moderate. It's also moderate, but basically with longer hours. Similarities, there's about 90% similarities, and the 10% is caused by the fact that the original one is more potent, whereas this one is more playful, is more sweeter. So that's the 10%. Which one is better? So which one would I recommend between the two? So I would recommend both of them. You can go for either this one or the original one. So go for the original one, probably if you are a little bit older and you are looking for something that is more mature, something that is more rounded, and something that is longer performance. If you're looking for longer performance, yeah. So, and of course, if you have the money, go for the original one. And I would recommend this one for those, of course, who want to save money. That's number one. If you are looking for something that is more sweeter, go for this one. If you are a person that is more younger as well, I would recommend this one. Yeah, so if you basically want to save money, yeah, so go for that one. So if you can afford the original one, go for it. If you can't afford it and you want this one, you are not losing anything by doing that. And the last question, would I recommend this as a replacement of the original Y EDP? And my answer to that is yes. Yes, without contradiction. I would highly recommend this. Number one, because of the price. This is cheaper. It's cheaper. YSL is 7 times more expensive, while the quality is not 7 times more. So for that, when you go for this one, you're not losing anyhow. The DNA is the same, guys. There is no difference. There's no difference. So if you want to know if this is a good clone or not, this is a perfect clone for you. I highly recommend you buy it if you want it. So I'm enjoying it as well. And in which manner should you wear this? So I highly recommend this for office environments, for everyday use. Office environments, not really when you're going outdoors, because it's not very strong. I would recommend it for indoors. Office space, I recommend it for summer, as it's a fresh fragrance. Summer, if you're going on dates, I would recommend it as well, but I think it's a versatile fragrance where you can wear it when you are dressed formal. You can wear it as well when you are dressed casually. But the original one, I think that's a versatile sense of which I think you can wear it the whole year. But this one, this clone, highly recommend for summer. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys, for watching up until this time. So that's about it with this video. I hope you found it valuable. I think it is going to, I hope it's going to assist you with your buying decision. Should you want to go and try it, but my advice is that go and try it. Thank you so much for joining this video. Please don't forget to support. I hope you didn't skip the ads. Share this video with your friends, become a subscriber. This will help us keep coming back to deliver more videos to you. That's it, guys. Cheers, and hope to see you in the next video.